Today, we're working on what has to be the coolest Prius ever, the Lexus CT200H. So this job isn't too bad to do. You don't even need any tools, just your hands. But it does help if they are small hands. And you'll pretty much be doing it by sense of feel, because it's hard to see the clips to disconnect it from the lights. This is the part where you become a hand gymnastics champion. Now just let your hand find the way to the back of the bulb. Find the wiring harness, push in the tab and pull down, and this will disconnect the wiring. Grab the back of the light bulb, turn it clockwise, and pull it out. Here's what I'm using to upgrade those old halogen lights. I'm using this l.e.d kit from Auxito. And full disclosure, I am an affiliate, so that means they sent this kit over for me to test out and give a review on them. It also means I can give you a discount.
Look at that.
So there is a discount code and a link to the lights in the description.
Wow.
This kit includes everything you need. It's ready to go right out of the box. So stick around to the end for the review of these lights, and we'll see how good or bad they really are. On the outer ring of the bulb, there are 3 tabs of different sizes. So make sure that you line them up properly, or it'll be a fight to get them back in. The wiring for the LED lights is a little bit longer. It included a few zip ties. So make sure you tuck that thing out of the way when you're done. Even on a bright day like today, I can already see a huge difference. Now let's get on to the other side. This side has a lot more room and is much easier to see the clip. So this one is your high beam, and if you need to change them out, it's done the same way as the low beams. Right now, I'm only changing out the low beams, which are a little bit closer to the fender. On this side, you can almost fit 2 hands in there to unclip the wiring. Now, repeat the steps from the passenger side to remove the old bulb. It'll be dark here pretty soon, so we'll be able to take it for a drive and really test out these lights. Man, these are bright. I gotta tell you, I really wish I had done this sooner. I feel like I put glasses on for the first time. Now that I'm looking at the low beams, I really wish I would have got the high beams as well. So, overall, big thumbs up on the Auxito LED Light upgrade. Highly recommend. It's a simple kit to put in and install. They are a great price as well. So check them out. Click on the link.